it's like 5:50 and it's dark. And I'm thinking it's like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Been working on a prototype all day. Hummingbird idea. Tell you what I got going on here. Here's prototype number 1. Pretty nasty, but at least got me going in the right direction. It is. Kind of got my wing design kind of down, but I didn't like it. No. Not what I was looking for, but that's why you do prototypes. These are number 2, number 3, and number 4 prototypes. But these are getting there. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice round body. Got some eyes, some dimension. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Let's go with another one here. Him. If you look at the backs, boy, it's hard to do this. Yeah. Pretty cool. These things are pretty big. Here is another design. To get a background here with him. So anyways, that's our day. I was working on prototype hummingbirds all day. So I'm going to take these and powder coat these and see what I can do with them. I think I'm on the right track.
Get off the couch, Cubby.